POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from Beyerdynamic. This is another pair of headphones from their company that is active noise canceling. This is their Lagoon ANC over-the-ear headphones. And, well, we got them right here. So we're gonna open these up and see what they look like, what comes in the box, and then you'll go to the website later on at POCnetwork.net, where we're gonna have a whole story about this, letting you know what we think about it. So there's the review. For here, it's the unboxing. We'll see what's inside and what it includes. We recently, actually January of this year, had an interview with them. We spoke to Pete, one of their wonderful representatives that is extremely knowledgeable of their devices, and who we've spoken to many times in the past, talking about these great headphones. And you can probably see a link to that in the description as well. But when you open the box, you get presented with this really cool looking case actually. It's a very custom shaped case, and it's semi-soft, semi-hard shell, but hard enough that this thing could really protect these headphones. And it looks like that's the only thing. Nope, we have some paperwork, USB cable, and an audio cable. So that USB cable is a USB Type-C connection. Cool. So it's a modern USB cable. You have a 3.5 to 3.5 audio cable, analog for wired devices. And then you have an instruction manual. And it's just a nice detailed instruction manual that walks you through all the various different settings and the buttons and, of course, pairing it to a device via Bluetooth. And now for the headphones. So again, this case is really nice looking. It looks extremely durable and, well, it's a pretty nice touch. But of course, what we really want to know about are the headphones themselves, presented quite nicely inside the case. The headphones, they pop right into place, so that these are flexible. They're extremely flexible, so they're quite similar if you're used to Bose, for example. The Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, they're extremely versatile in terms of putting them into a bag or into a case or just getting them around your head. Same thing with some of Sony's studio monitor headphones. So this really has a nice design to it, and it looks tough too. The outer parts of the band here are plastic. You have the inner headband right here, which is a very soft foam, really nice to the touch. You, of course, can extend the headphones to the size of your head, and they swivel around. So that way, no matter what size or shape of your head, this is going to be able to feel pretty good for you. And then you have this nice mesh inner layer here for the actual speakers or the drivers themselves. And they have a separate color tone of silver, and then the same padding on the earmuffs. On the right muff, you have all of your controls. You have your active noise canceling, you have off, and then you have on 1 and on 2. So it's just going to give you the level of noise canceling that you want to be applied to it. So the higher the noise canceling, the more you're going to cut off all the sounds around you. Well, of course, when you're using active noise canceling, it's also going to adjust what the audio sounds like as well. So it allows you to dial in and where you want your sacrifice. Is it going to sound significantly different when you do it? Probably not. But for those with audiophile ears, you're going to hear the difference. So it's up to you. Do you really want to drown out the noise around you, or do you want to just kind of meet it in the middle so you still get a little bit better range? And then you have a power button here that it's right now it's off. Then you can turn it on, which is just simple on, and then you can switch to Bluetooth for pairing for going wireless to a device without using the cable. And of course, if you have a wired device, you would use this instead of going Bluetooth. Clearly. And that is the next port right here, the 3.5 millimeter input. And then you have the USB Type-C for charging the headphones with, and then a little mic hole there, and as well as here, which in combination is going to be used for taking phone calls, and the others will be for the whole purpose of noise cancellation, for getting rid of all the sound, so it can hear all the environmental sound around you and cancel that out. Now the side here on the right muff, this is actually a touch control for the tracks, so you can skip tracks, turn up your volume, turn it down, whatnot. This is something they've been adding to a lot of their models, which is really nice. And of course, this supports their Beyerdynamic app that you can download in the App Store, which allows you to customize the user profile of the headphones, so you can tweak and adjust the range of the headphones to what you're looking for, what you need, for your specific ears. And then it travels with you on the go. So that's it. Again, the Lagoon ANC, active noise canceling, coming from Beyerdynamic, and they're available right now, and we're going to have a whole review about this later on at POCnetwork.net, so go check it out once we're done with it, and we'll let you know what we think. So again, POCnetwork.net. If you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. There's that subscription button down there, as well as a comment section so you can communicate with us and each other and so forth. And don't forget to check out the website as well, and go check us out on Twitter and Facebook. We have a contest running right now, which I think is only like a day or two left to win a Kindle Fire HD 8 device. Tablet. Could be yours for free with a case as well. So go check it out. You'll find us on Twitter, find the post for it, go enter the contest. Good luck. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.